very happy new year. I hope this year will be good for you, for all of us. So in this video, I thought of sharing the products like the clothes, the accessories that I recently got, like I got into the month of December, sort of sharing a haul with you guys. And this is strictly a winter haul because मैंने सिर्फ winter shopping ही की है. So yeah, without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product or like the first accessory that I got is this beautiful necklace. Like it's a very beautiful small choker which I got from Urbanic. It costed me 99 rupees. I think this was for rupees 100. This is such a beautiful sleek sort of a choker and I am in love with it. The quality, everything is really too good. So yeah, this is the first thing. The second chain which I got is this. This is something which I got from Amazon. So आपने ऐसी चेन्स शीन में भी देखी होगी. अब तो चलो शीन बंद है, पहले देखी होगी. ये आपको नायका पे भी मिल जाएगी, नायका फैशन पे आपको हर एक साइट पे मिल जाएगी. बट मैंने ये अमेजोन से ली बिकॉज अमेजोन पर ये आई थिंक 200 की थी. सो सबसे ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल ये अमेजोन पे ही थी. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड आई कम्प्लीटली लव्ड इट. दिस लुक्स सो गुड. लाइक it's a very amazing and a classic piece. All of you must be having it because आपको बहुत सारे ways में आप इसको style कर सकते हो. So in all, I really love this. Next is something which I didn't got but मुझे gift मिला. मुझे नहीं पता, मेरी friend ने दिया मुझे किस site से. This is the necklace. I think it's from Shein only. So ज़्यादा बात करके फ़ायदा नहीं है because we can anyway cannot get this product. So the last necklace is again my favorite and this one is again from Amazon. Basically I got this in this box. This is from Jewels Galaxy and this is the necklace. So it's again a very beautiful one. So ये आपके neck पे बिल्कुल लग जाता है and it's very pretty. So this one costed me around 200 rupees. Again, very affordable. Basically, I love all the products that I got. मैं बहुत search करके मंगाती हूँ चीज़. Now let me take you through the clothing session. So the first is this pullover. This is something that I got from Myntra. This is basically from Tokyo Talkies and this is their woman teal green ripped pullover. This one is for rupees 1700, that's 1699, but I got it for like 700 bucks. I think it's a very nice, like very warm pullover. एक funny सी चीज़ है, like बचपन में, like when I was a teenager also, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था high necks और pullovers को wear करना. But right now, I don't know from where I really wanted to have at least one good pullover. So I got this one. I really love the color. This fits me perfectly. I am in the size, I think, on medium. In all, I really love it and this is how it looks on me. This looks really good. I can style it in different ways. I can layer it with a jacket, a coat, or I can leave it like this and also can wear these chokers and everything and it's a very good piece. So this is the first thing that I got from Myntra. So the second thing which I got is this jacket. So lately I am obsessed with jackets. I have like one brown jacket kind of similar to this one from Shein. So जब Shein बंद हुआ, I really wanted to buy more of these sort of jackets. I think they look good on me. So I really wanted to get one. But after so much of overthinking, I finally got this one. I really love the color. This is in burgundy. And this one is for 1800 rupees, but I think I got this for 1000 or 1100, which is pretty amazing. And my size is small. So yeah, this is the second jacket and I really love wearing these jackets. I think these look so good. Also, this is in velvet stuff, so ये काफी warm भी रखता है आपको. So yeah, winters के लिए it's amazing. So the third sweater or the third pullover that I got is from Myntra and this is the, basically it's not a proper pullover, it's more of a sweater and मैंने इसे अब तक wear भी नहीं किया है, बस एक बार ट्राई किया था, इसका टैग भी लगा हुआ है, आई गेस सभी कपड़ों का टैग लगा है. सो दिस इज द स्वेटर. आई लव द कलर, आई लव द स्ट्राइप्स, I love everything about this sweater. This is so beautiful in color. This one retails for 1999, like 2000 rupees, but I think I got it for 1100 or 12. I don't remember the price, but definitely I'm gonna mention it in the description box. And I got in the size small again. Mostly मुझे sweaters में small ही आता है, कभी कभी कुछ में medium आएगा, और mainly small ही आता है. So yeah, दिस इज द स्वेटर एंड दिस इज अगेन ओवर साइज्ड वन. सो मैं ज़्यादा इसे लूज नहीं लेना चाहती थी, सो मुझे ज़्यादा भी बैगी नहीं चाहिए था, तो तभी मैंने स्मॉल ही ऑर्डर किया. आई न्यू कि मीडियम बहुत ज़्यादा लूज होना था मुझे. सो या दिस इज द सेकेंड एंड दिस इज अगेन वेरी वार्म. इसका स्टफ बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है एंड आई लव इट. So this is the third thing which I got from Myntra. Last thing that I got from Myntra is this cigarette trousers. So these are from H&M. I really wanted to buy something from H&M. I don't know why I really wanted to buy it. So I got these. These are so good. Like these fits perfectly. This one I think retails for 14.99 and my size is UK 12. Yeah, I got in the UK 12 size. This fits me perfectly from here. I think it's a bit loose, but yeah, still manageable. And the quality, everything is nice. I really wanted to buy this checked print one. And ये 1500 की है, मुझे 1500 की ही पड़ी. ये किसी भी ऑफ पे नहीं थी. But yeah, I anyways got it. So अगेन आई कैन स्टाइल इट इन डिफरेंट वेज. मैं इसके ऊपर कोई भी बेसिक टी भी पहन सकती हूँ, कोई बेसिक, ये समर्स विंटर्स दोनों पहन सकते हैं. सो इन ऑल आई रियली लव दिस वन. एंड या दिस इज द फोर्थ एंड द लास्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा. So next is something which I got from Amazon. So I got this hoodie. Basically I ordered this to just to check कि Amazon में अगर आप क्लोथिंग लो तो कैसा कैसे क्लोथ्स आते हैं. एंड आई एम लिटरली शॉक्ड बिकॉज दिस वन वॉज फॉर लाइक 400 or 500 rupees, नॉट मोर देन दैट. द क्वालिटी इज अमेजिंग, लाइक अमेजिंग. बहुत बार वेयर भी कर लिया है. ओके एंड ये गंदी भी है इस टाइम, सो यू कैन सी इट्स डर्टी. But yeah, this is the hoodie. Basic maroon hoodie and this one costed me like 440 rupees. But अभी मैंने इसे Amazon पे check किया, so it's like for 700 rupees. So you can wait because Amazon में price fluctuate करते रहते हैं. This is a very basic hoodie and it's again warm also. So I really love the quality and मैंने इसे 4-5 से ज़्यादा बार wear कर लिया है because I really like plain clothes, like plain everyday sort of clothes. So yeah, this is the which I got from Amazon. And the last thing is something which I got from Urbanic. So I really wanted to try them and I got this sweater and oh my god, this one has to be my favorite. कल ही मुझे receive हुआ है, so मैंने आज ही से open करा है. So this is the sweater. Look how adorable it is. It's very adorable. So this one retails for rupees 1390, but I got it for 973 rupees. Like for 1000 rupees I got this, but I don't regret because look at the sleeves. This is amazing. Look at the color. I love this color. You know, I am obsessed with lilac color and this fits perfectly. It was like one size product, so इसमें कोई साइज का इशू नहीं था. ये वन साइज ही है. सो अगर आप मेरे साइज के हैं तो आपको ये परफेक्टली आएगा, और मेरे से अगर आप पतले भी है तो भी आपको अच्छा लगेगा बिकॉज इसकी स्लीव्स ऐसे भी फ्लफी है. एंड यू कैन स्टिल सी माई क्लोथ्स. आई वेयर लूज क्लोथ्स, सो अगर आपको ये लूज भी आएगा तब भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So pretty much these were the clothes that I bought. So this was like a very mini haul. So I really wanted to share with you guys about the jewelry or the sweaters or like the clothes that I recently got. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye. Mwah.